So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone's story to your story. Now, the first thing that we need to do is head over to our Instagram. And then once we go to Instagram, you then want to go to the profile of the story that you want to share to your own. So what we can do is we can go to the search bar, we can then go to search and then select the account. Now, as you can see, this is the account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on to view their story. Now, once you do this, as you can see, I have now been tagged in this person's story. So you will need to be tagged in the story in order for you to be able to share it to your story. And if you are not tagged, the likelihood is that you won't be able to share it to your story. So what we can do is we can go to this page, and then as you can see, it will then say add to your story. You will then be able to go through and customize it as you would like. And then once you are happy, click on the little arrow in the bottom right hand corner. And then you will then be able to click on the share button at the bottom. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can share someone's Instagram story to your story.